Hello, hello. Welcome back to our English Learning Radio, Slow English Podcast. I'm Stacy.
And I'm John. We're so happy you're here today.
If this is your first time listening, welcome. Take a deep breath with us. You're in the right place.
Yes, this podcast is for real English, slow English, friendly English, English you can use.
Today's topic is very important, very useful, and very exciting.
We're talking about how to introduce yourself in English.
This is for your first conversations, meeting new people, at work, at school, at a cafe, anywhere.
And don't worry, this lesson is beginner-friendly. Short sentences, easy words, lots of practice.
We'll listen, then discuss, then listen again.
And we'll repeat important phrases many times.
Because repetition helps you remember, and confidence comes with practice.
Before we start, quick reminder. If you enjoy this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend learning English.
It really helps us, and it helps other learners too.
All right, ready?
Let's begin. Part 1, saying hello. Okay, John, let's start simple.
Yes, step 1, say hello.
In English, we have many ways to say hello, but today we'll focus on easy and common ones.
Listen first.
Listen. Hello. Hi.
That's it. Very easy.
Let's repeat together. Hello. Hi.
Good job. Did you say it out loud?
Even a whisper is okay. You're learning.
Now, let's make it sound more friendly.
Listen again. Hi. How are you?
This is very common.
Repeat after me. Hi. How are you?
Nice. You're doing great already.
Now, how do we answer?
Simple answers are perfect.
Listen. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay.
Repeat slowly. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay.
Excellent.
Now, let's try a short dialogue.
Listen only.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Simple, real, natural.
Now, let's listen again and repeat.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. Thanks.
Good job. You just had your first English conversation.
Part 2, saying your name. Next step, your name.
This is very important.
In English, we usually say, my name is.
Listen, my name is John.
Repeat. My name is.
Now say your name.
Great. That sounded perfect.
Another common way is I'm.
Listen. I'm Stacy.
Repeat. I'm.
Say your name again.
Very nice.
Now let's hear a full example.
Listen.
Hi, my name is Stacy.
Nice to meet you, Stacy. I'm John.
Nice to meet you too.
Did you hear that phrase?
Nice to meet you.
This is very important.
Repeat with us. Nice to meet you.
You can also say, nice to meet you too.
Repeat. Nice to meet you too.
Excellent. You sound very polite.
Main chat, part 3. Where are you from? After your name, people often ask,
Where are you from?
listen carefully.
Where are you from?
Repeat. Where are you from?
Now let's answer.
We say, I'm from.
Listen, I'm from Canada.
Repeat. I'm from.
Say your country or city.
Great job.
Now, a full dialogue. Hi, I'm John. Where are you from?
Hi, John. I'm from Thailand.
Oh, nice.
Very natural.
Now, listen again and repeat.
Where are you from?
I'm from.
Perfect. You're improving already.
Part 4. What do you do?
Next question.
This one is common at work or school.
What do you do?
Listen. What do you do?
Repeat. What do you do?
Now let's answer.
Simple answers are best.
Listen. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in an office.
Repeat with us. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in an office.
Good job.
Here's a real-life example. What do you do?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm a teacher.
Nice.
Now you try.
Repeat after us.
What do you do?
I'm a...
That was great. Even if it's not perfect, it's okay. Part 5. Adding something small. Hobbies.
Now let's add something extra.
Not too much, just a little.
You can say what you like.
Listen. I like coffee. I like music. I like walking.
Repeat slowly. I like coffee. I like music. I like walking.
Very nice.
Here's a full introduction.
Listen.
Hi, I'm John. I'm from the UK. I'm a teacher. I like coffee.
Simple. Friendly. Real.
Now let's try together.
Hi, I'm
from... I like...
Wow, that was amazing.
Review and community question. Let's review what we learned today.
First, greetings.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
Second, your name.
My name is... I'm.
Third, where you're from.
Where are you from? I'm from...
Fourth, what you do.
What do you do? I'm a...
And finally, something you like.
I like coffee. I like music.
You did a great job today. Really.
Even listening is progress.
Even trying is progress.
We're proud of you.
Now let's connect.
Here's today's community question.
How do you introduce yourself? Tell us your name, where you're from, and one thing you like.
Write it in the comments.
Short sentences are perfect.
And remember, you're not late, you're not slow.
You're learning, and that's powerful.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now. Keep practicing.